Welcome back to day 18 of our 100 days of Java course. Yesterday we talked about this keyword and constructor chaining. And today we are stepping into one of the coolest OOP concepts, inheritance. So what is inheritance? Inheritance is like passing down the traits in a family. If your dad can play guitar, maybe you also can. Or at least you'll inherit the skill. In Java, a child class can inherit properties and methods from a parent class. We use the keyword extends to do this. Let's say we have a vehicle class. Every vehicle has speed and fuel. Car and bike are special types of vehicles. They both share common things, speed and fuel. But also they have their own special features. Let's write a Java code so we can understand it more clearly. Class vehicle, int speed, int fuel, void start system.out.println, vehicle is starting. Void stop system.out.println, vehicle stopped. Child class car extends vehicle, int doors equal to 4. Void show car info system.out.println, car with doors. Child class bike extends vehicle, boolean has kickstart equal to true. Void show bike info system.out.println, bike with kickstart plus kickstart. Public class inheritance demo, public static void main string args, car equal to new car dot speed equal to 120, dot fuel equal to 40, dot start, dot show car info, dot stop. System.out.println, bike equal to new bike dot speed equal to 80, dot fuel equal to 10, dot start, dot show bike info, dot stop. And the output will be vehicle is starting, car with 4 doors, vehicle stopped. Vehicle is starting, bike with kickstart, true, vehicle stopped. So basically inheritance is the reusability. Instead of writing speed and fuel for both car and bike, we wrote it once in vehicle and reused it. The keyword extends make our class inherit from another class. Child classes can add their own features on top of the parent features. Think of it like Iron Man suits. The base Iron Man suit has the flight and AI in it. But then Iron Man makes special suits like Hulkbuster, Mark 85. They all inherit the same base properties but with extra power. That's inheritance in action.